Since the beginning of cycling, people have fixed their bikes. But back then, the tools were much simpler than nowadays. Nowadays, there are thousands more tools, but these can be a fortune if you're not a bike shop, so it is probably not worth it. This is an equivalent kit to the kit that I bought for $53.
So, this just came in the mail and I'm pretty eager to have a look inside. So, alright, so got a nice carry case here. Right, here we go, here it is. So I'll go through what's inside of this toolbox. So we have chain tool, sealed bottom bracket removal tool, cassette removal tool, headset remover, multiple spoke size remover. These are Allen keys, but what I want you to do with these is chuck them away. I'm not gonna chuck it in the bin, I'll use it for something else. This is, you connect a pump to that side and it goes into a Presta valve. Just a Phillips head screwdriver, chain tool, pedal remover for the old style pedals. This is a crank arm remover on the older styled ones. 3 tie levers, adjustable spanner, open end wrench. This is a bottom bracket cut tool. These are cone wrenches, just for these, so you can fit different things in them. Not sure what it's called. Got no idea what this is. Sure it has some use. But this is, so instead of having different tools for like the headset remover, this is for the cassette tool, so you're using this. And also, you're putting this on like that. That's how you remove the bottom bracket. Yeah, so that's all that's included, and also a couple of sockets. So, if you're thinking about buying this kit, I can't stress enough going out and buying an Allen key set, because the Allen key set they gave us, really short, really crappy. So I picked up this Allen key set from Bunnings for around like $15, so they're not too dear, so definitely get one of these. So you guys might be thinking, do they work? Are they going to snap the first time I use them? So I've got a wheel here that I'm going to remove the cassette from using the cassette tool, which comes with an Allen key, something which slots over the Allen key, and then this cassette tool which goes in there. It's not the best design. I've seen other designs which are more just one tool, but this definitely works because you can also put the sealed bottom bracket thing in it. So, this Allen key, it's pretty short. So I've got my Allen key from that Allen key set I got from Bunnings, which is a bit longer, which will give me the leverage I need to do this. So and there we go. It works. I did take a tyre off before testing these tyre levers, and there is like a bit of Like, I'm sure if I did these a couple of times, this would just become flat. So this toolkit is perfect for getting all the tools you need to, not all the tools, but a lot of the tools you need to work on your bike. Definitely pick up another tie levers, Allen keys. But that's all from me today. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to see more videos to inspire you to get outside and ride your bike.